triple.
There once was a frog that laid an egg, and then he went to go eat the egg, and
hello everybody, welcome back. We're off to a good start. Welcome to the Super Mighty Brothers. We're back with some Donkey Kong.
Donkey Kong yet again.
We're gonna finish this. We're gonna beat this. We're gonna beat those pirate bosses.
We're gonna be Cameron's past lives.
My past lives, my brothers.
No, it was not your past
My
lives.
brothers of crabs, shrimps, and fish in
Everything
general.
seafood.
Anything that I'm not gonna get it.
No!
Anything marine life, I know because I was a crab and I love the ocean. And the mantis shrimp is my favorite.
Just like Steven Hillenburg.
And the mantis shrimp is my favorite ocean life in the world. It actually is one of my favorites.
What?
You ever seen that? The mantis shrimp?
No.
I would assume you hate it because of the name.
Yeah.
But the mantis shrimp, it's like it's so cool looking. Put it up, editor. Put it up. It's so cool looking. What I found interesting about it was that its punch is really.
I thought there was something there.
Yeah.
I thought there was...
Its punch is like so fast.
Punch?
Yeah, it punches.
Why is it punch?
For when it catches its prey, like when it like,
punches.
Yeah, when it catches, like, let's say a crab, for its prey, it'll try and flip it, and then when it punches, it punches so powerful and so hot that for like a split second it gets hotter. It gets as hot as the sun. I could be wrong about that, but I remember reading up on that when I was learning about the mantis shrimp.
Stop!
He's gonna tell you about the
Stop it! Stop it! Get away, you fat pig!
And supposedly it can see more colors than humans.
A mantis shrimp?
Yeah, it sees more colors than.
But they punch?
Yeah.
Why do they punch?
I remember
You
seeing.
just said it.
I just said it. I just said it punches. Anyway, there was a video that I saw about the mantis shrimp when a human found it and was fishing for it, and it caught it, and then he let go of it on his boat by accident, and it punched his foot, and it was bleeding automatically.
The crab? The mantis shrimp or the...
The mantis shrimp punched the guy's foot.
Oh, and so it was bleeding?
Yeah, it's like really bad.
Oh, shit.
Like, it's one of my favorite.
So mantis shrimp are powerful? They're OP?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure they can still get killed normally. Probably eat it.
Who would ever want to eat something that could punch you
I don't know.
to death?
People eat kangaroo. It's kicking.
What's kicking?
Like a kangaroo kicks instead of punches.
Yeah.
Just roll with the punches. I thought you died.
No, yeah, I saw the thing.
Where's
Oh,
Diddy?
One of these. I don't know.
You're so good at these, right?
You jinxed me! You Donkey Kong. I get it, I'm a loser.
Did you just fart?
No, what?
I smelled something weird. Andrew Tate's taint.
Andrew Tate went.
I've seen the mantis shrimp before. You've seen whenever you go to stores. There's a board game called Mantis.
That's a mantis shrimp?
Yeah, that's the mantis shrimp.
Why does it look so weird?
It's because that's how it was born. I don't know. It said, why does a monkey look? Why does a gorilla look like that? Just to roll.
Yeah, but I don't have Diddy.
Oh, go get him.
Keep coming, babe.
That's gross.
That's my uncle.
You're his uncle.
Oh, yeah.
He's my uncle. There you go.
Whoa! Snow! It's not how tidal waves work.
Snow level. In this game? In the Donkey Kong game? He's gonna die.
He died before the tidal wave killed him.
You think there was a puzzle piece in those? Oh. Didn't make it a time.
Ah!
You really
I don't need your help.
You really are a rage gamer. You really are grumpy. You're a grump.
Game Grumps, hit me up. Forgot I said I was gonna do that every episode. Be like, hey, Game Grumps.
Hit us up.
Put it on Twitter at Game Grumps.
Check us
Hey,
out.
check us out, man. Come on, hit us up, man.
But huge fans, huge inspirations.
You can tell. Come on, Game Grumps. Hit
You
me
can
up.
tell.
Come on, Game Grumps, hit me up, dude. Come on.
You can tell what? That you act like Aaron? That you act like them?
don't act like I'm not pursuing a career like that. I'm just a man who plays games. I'm grumpy, yes. And the other one not so grumpy. Same, man. We're not copying anybody. Hey, Game Grumps, hit me up.
Don't sue us because we're taking your idea. And
Game
making
Grumps,
ours.
hire us. We'll be the new Grumps.
That would be a dream.
Only plays here. Hit me up.
Only plays.
My God! Fuck!
Yeah, I have to go the other way to do it.
Yeah.
I can't just. Oh.
You gotta finish this.
What?
You gotta finish this.
I'm gonna finish it and then we're gonna fight the boss and that's gonna be the end of this episode.
Okay.
Hopefully. I don't fuck it up.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. I don't need that.
Absolutely. Decker, we need you. Isn't that what you want to say or something? I can't remember.
Something like Decker. I love that show.
Decker, we need your help.
I did every big butt roll.
Nice.
I'm so sick of this shit. This is so stupid.
Oh,
What are you doing?
nothing. Don't worry about it. It'd be cool to have them.
Are you yawning?
No,
I'm sorry,
I'm
am I
not
boring
yawning.
you?
What did you say?
Am I boring you?
No, you're not boring me.
Yeah, we'll go right now.
Ooh, mate, you played your cards just right. Play
Please,
cards
buddy.
right.
Please, buddy. You're gonna go off the ledge!
Play your cards right, you'll get to this dong in 2 years. You're not gonna make it. Man
I'm
said,
getting so sick and tired of this shit.
you're the one that said if you remember this level, that must mean it must have hit something with you.
This pissed me off.
Well, well.
I saved myself from eternal damnation. Wait for it.
Oh yeah, Diddy, oh yeah, Donkey Kong, oh yeah.
I'm stuck down in that one. Nice. You better go now. There we go.
You just made it. Crabs.
But there's still one. You know, one would assume that looking at a window, they
I
would
didn't
think,
see the window. Okay, now I know it's there. Yelled at me
just
first.
trying to help you.
You're not helping.
You sure?
No. How are you helping? Explain to me how you're
Trying to
helping.
make you feel better. I'm sorry, I keep yawning. You're boring me.
How's that my fault? You're bored yourself.
It'd be funny. Actually, talk about stuff.
What do you want me to talk about? I'm playing a game. What do you want to talk about? Donkey Kong?
I guess.
Well, he's cool when he's a monkey. We'll make two of my greatest things.
Why decide to make him a monkey?
He's an ape, not a monkey.
Apes are part of the chimpanzee.
That doesn't make them monkeys.
Chimpanzees are part of the monkey family.
What's the hitbox on the sharks?
Very low.
You know.
Been awesome. Whoa, you didn't even check to see, did you? You just went for
I had
it?
time for it. I knew what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing.
Well, then stop trying to speed run and actually play the game. Okay.
I know.
You should listen to me more.
I'm not listening to you. You're dumb.
You're stupid. Made it just in time.
I didn't just make it in time. I am the time. Now I know it's there.
Okay. We better hurry up and get that G before it gets washed away.
It's not gonna get washed away.
Yeah. It's not gonna get flushed away.
No barrel? Fucking! This is at the end of the level, yes. Ah! It showed it! It showed it! Sure not! Oh!
Feeling okay?
It's only been 10 minutes.
Yeah, you can do 10 more minutes.
Well, 10 minutes to beat this boss. Play.
You have 128 coins.
I should have just bought something to help me out or something. I have 128 coins. This is it. This is the second boss.
Why'd you skip it?
Fuck you, that's why. I'm gonna save this. Oh.
Yeah, you don't need the barrels.
Cutscene time. Donkey Kong. These guys look so harmful.
Yeah, but
I wonder which one's the captain.
I don't know, maybe the one with the hat.
I don't know, that one looks like the captain. What was it crabbing the captain's voice? No, I don't remember how to beat these ones.
The same way you beat the crabs.
How?
Pound on the ground when you see them.
Pound of town?
Pound town.
Alright, let's see.
Oh no, you hit them on the head. That one, because he's...
Then you.
Yeah.
Uno?
Those?
He's got a sword, so I gotta watch out for this guy.
Yeah, because they can go up.
The red one dances. See?
Whoa! You almost didn't get it. I like how it gets confused. Like,
I think it's...
where'd you go?
Yeah, it's a 3.
Gotta get up on
Yeah.
the edge.
No, I remember. It's,
Why are you on the bottom?
I don't know, so I'm waiting to get over here.
You could have waited up there. There was no difference. You could have waited up there. Nice. You're gonna lose Diddy at this rate.
No, I'm not. Jinx, you son of a bitch.
Oh wait, can you roll?
Oh, that's right.
When they do
Oh,
that?
yeah, I want to do the dance.
There we go. Nice.
Oh. Oh, it's the rule of 3.
Yeah, this yellow guy is too dumb to do the.
You know, you got a stupid ass fork.
Careful. Gets close up to them and sniffs them. It's like, you smell pretty good. You smell like seafood. I hate seafood. I want bananas. Well, he was going fast.
The rule of 3. Come on, do the dance, 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 do the dance. Do the dance! Ah!
Let's get out.
This game. Going this way.
I remember they do give you hearts. Not anymore or what? You did it.
I did it! First try!
First try, baby.
Just like the other boss. Look at this. Oh,
Well, think about it. This is like a kid's game. Like, yeah, I'm gonna get you. What?
This is not a kid's game, it's a Nintendo game. There's a difference.
You're gonna wonder why they go me armor ribs grabs. You fucked it.
Oh, I'm supposed to tap it.
Music gallery updated. We have time for probably one more level.
We do.
Start
We
off
did
on
it.
a
We
newest journey.
finished the beach episode. I mean, the beach arc.
Portion.
We had our beach arc. It was the
Now we get
best.
to do bird.
Let's do birds. What?
Remember? It's the bird.
Son of a bitch, you're right. I hated the bird.
Wonky waterway. Well, we have time for one more, so
So might as well,
let's
right?
do it.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do this shit.
Let's do it.
Hey, let's do this shit, donkey.
Let's do it. Let's do it. We did it.
Wonky Waterway, like Willy Wonka, Donkey Kong, and the official.
Editor.
Please don't. I'm not
Yeah.
doing anything. Look at that chicken. He's on
There's a puzzle piece right
stilts.
behind you.
He's on stilts. The
It's like that. You remember that?
Make it.
Oh yeah, there's not. But wait. Oh yeah, there is.
Wait, what the hell is this guy doing over here?
Do you remember that Burger King commercial for Incredible Hulk?
What? Oh,
Where
where
the dad's playing with the toys. He's like, "Oh no, I'm the Incredible Hulk and I lost to the Abomination because I'm stupid. He's like, guy, kids, did you see that? And then Hulk just...
I like the perfectly cut one.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
just comes in out of the sky and just punches, just kills the whole family. We all know Hulk is a murderer.
No, he's not.
Looks like someone has the Immortal Hulk.
I did. Just so you know, I did.
Then you would know he's a murderer.
He's not a murderer. He's just misunderstood.
He's a growing boy. He's misunderstood. You gotta blow on him.
I know.
Sorry, wait.
I know.
It's just because of what I said.
So far away. Oh my god, I can't just...
It's because of what I said.
What?
You gotta blow on him.
Oh, what
almost
the
didn't make
fuck?
that.
I should have died.
I should have died. What do you mark?
I don't remember that.
Me either. I guess if we ever got mad of not finding one, we all had to do is just stay there.
Could have died.
I could have died. Yeah, but they got him.
What do you mean they got him?
What do you mean they got
What do
him?
you mean they got him? Fucking donkey, fucking son of a bitch.
Don't blame the dong.
I'm blaming the dong, man. Who else can I blame?
You.
They wouldn't have this if you couldn't do it.
Yeah. Let's do
That's
this
what happens when
shit.
you're so good at games.
Yeah, the birds is supposed to be single.
I know there is, Cam.
I want
Thanks.
to point out you also had 40 lives, close to 50. Now you're at 31.
I did.
Is that a question, or you're saying, or you're?
No, I remember. Yeah, I did.
You're a badass. You know that. You're so good.
Just like my dad, who I've never met.
Just like my mom, who I never met. Yeah. What you think? You think Donkey Kong's like full of testosterone? He just wants to go everywhere and have and like party with Diddy every day. Thank you for acknowledging the question. You have to get the puzzle piece all over.
No, I don't.
You don't. Yeah, you don't. Sorry. We gotta get. You can get the K now. If you don't be a
Stickler.
stickler in the mud. It's okay.
Fucking game. Fucking Donkey Diddy Kong.
It's okay. I still think you're cool. No one else is thinking you are, but I still think
I am cool. Thanks, Cam.
you're a cool gamer.
I am a cool gamer. Appreciate it.
What?
What the fuck just happened?
What happened?
What happened? Yeah, what fuck? What?
It was right there. It was right here. It was right here.
I gotta sneeze. Okay. Okay.
Wait, he squawked.
Bring it. There we go.
Yes. Yes, Donkey Kong, yeah.
Oh, there's supposed to be in the bottom. Then explain to me how you're gonna get it.
I can't. It's too late. It's never too late.
You're gonna die.
It's never too late. I'm sorry, Diddy.
Could have scouted what was ahead.
I don't want to scout what's
Probably
ahead.
died by jumping off a cliff. You get it though.
Like this. How do you
You're
get
having second doubts, aren't you?
it? How do you get it? Unless there's a platform on the bottom. Oh. I guess I'm just a genius. Aren't I? Ooh, chicken.
A lot
Bam!
of
Dead.
birds in this. Is this supposed to tell you? Is this an omen?
Whoa!
Whoa, careful.
Whoa! You fucking asshole.
People, those pipes suck up the chocolate and carry it away all over the factory. Love that movie. Tim Burton did a good job in that. Yeah. Good casting too with John C. Reilly.
Who was he?
I'm Willy Wonka.
I'm Willy Wonka.
I can't do it, John Riley. First.
Yeah, I can't me neither. Just pretend I did it.
Is that the ghost of Stonewall Jackson?
There, you finally remembered it?
I remembered his name.
You watched it recently?
No, I didn't. I was thinking like his freaking name.
Is that the ghost of Stonewall Jackson?
Probably not. Probably got it wrong,
Off
but
of your
something
soul.
Jackson. Off yours. There will be my ties waiting for you in Nirvana, my child.
Just watched it then.
I didn't. I just remembered it.
Yeah, sure, buddy.
I did.
Sure,
You
buddy.
gotta run.
I'm not gonna run. I'm gonna hide.
Gotta go fast.
Gotta go fast.
Has that song ever showed up?
Gotta go fast. No, because it's Sonic X. It's not technically official.
Everything's canon. Sonic's Twitter.
Sonic said it's canon.
Yeah, Sonic said it's canon.
Thanks, Sonic.
Thanks, Sonic. Welcome.
Oh, almost died. Chicken.
Well, there's some flowers. Bananas up there. Chicken.
That's not what I wanted
Yeah.
to do, but okay.
I had a feeling. I felt your heart beat really fast when that happened. How'd you know?
The candles impertuate that.
Impertuate. I'm gonna tell the editor to put up the definition of impertuate right now.
That's not a word. I died.
Yeah. Bird had swapped. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
I guess it's a bad thing. You're gonna need the puzzle pieces.
Don't fucking judge me. I can eat my own sandwich.
Come on, Diddy.
Donkey.
Oh, donkey, yeah.
Yeah!
I'm always ready.
Oh, and we just finished it a minute ago.
We did?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Just in time.
Just in time,
We got
we did
3
it.
levels in.
We did it.
We're gamers.
'Cause we're gamers, yeah, that's
Especially
right.
you, after, you die multiple
2
times.
episodes of nonsense. But we did it.
You did it. It took us this long.
But anyways, guys, yeah, that's gonna do it for the Super Mighty Brothers.
You forgot the title or what? It sounded like you had a hesitation.
Shut up. We're gonna finish Donkey Kong. I'm pretty sure we got like a few left. We got like that level,
That level,
one,
Canada.
Drake at the very top. So yeah,
Drake?
oh, free look. There you go. We got this one right there. I remember that one. We got that one there. I remember that one. We got the prehistoric. Then we got the Steam one, and then it's the final one. So in retrospect, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the final one.
We can do it.
You can do it, yeah.
We're badasses.
We can do it because we're badasses. You're right. You're right. I'm gonna go buy some birds real quick.
All right, everyone. See you all.
Bye.